Would you like to know how to stay focused without getting distracted and become more productive? Would you like to know how to stay focused without getting distracted and become more productive? Because in this video, I'm going to share with you one simple way on how, whatever happens, let the world may distract you, but you can still complete the task that you have decided. In my community called TLC, where I help a lot of coaches and trainers to become even authors, I was recently teaching them on how they can write their book and publish their book. One of the common questions that they were asked is, sir, the continuously we want to really focus and write the book, but the world around us is continuously distracting us. One message on WhatsApp or an email or a phone call, I don't know how to do that. Is there a way in which, because there's too much of notification coming and I'm getting constantly distracted, is there a way in which I can actually focus and complete at least one chapter, at least one paragraph? Okay, because to all my members, I used to tell that, at least allocate at least 30 minutes. Okay, if you can just focus with one full block of 25, 30 minutes and completely focus and do that, it becomes successful. Theoretically, they all say, yeah, it's very good, possible, yes, I can do that. But in practicality, most of them, they struggle a lot. So if you are someone planning to write a book, or you are someone, you have a project to complete, you're preparing a proposal, you can apply this one particular technique which I actually use. This method is called the Pomodoro technique. I'm sure that you would have heard about this technique called Pomodoro. Pomodoro is a very simple method, a simple technique that you set a timer for 25 minutes. Okay, block all the notification, put all the block screen, put your phones far away. 25 minutes timer you run, and you start typing or writing your book or the task that you really want to complete. And then once 25 minutes is done, ensure that the alarm rings and you take a 5-minute break, and then you go for the second set of 25 minutes. Thereby, in that 50 minutes, you will actually complete, because it's a completely full focused time that you are devoting to complete writing that book or that particular task. Many of them have heard about this Pomodoro, but they were not able to get it done because they were not able to follow a timer, because most of the time they were using their mobile phone as a timer, and that is the source of their whole distraction. Recently, I found a very interesting app. Okay, very interesting app, which is a web app, which I'm going to suggest you right now, which have been found very, very useful to have a complete dedicated focused time. Okay, that particular app name is called pomofocus.io. Oh, it's not in, it's I actually io.app. So this is a very interesting website I found out, and it's very, very simple and very intuitive, and it's clean, it's free. Huh? Best is it's actually very free. So what you can do is you can actually go and visit this particular website. If you go and visit this website, the website will look something like this, which has some interesting timer, a long break timer like 25 minutes. Okay, or you can actually create a short break. That means you just want to take a 5-minute break, you can actually do that, or a long 15-minute break also, because sometimes I even suggest some of my leaders that if you're working non-stop for 90 minutes, take a 15-minute break. So you can think of giving different variations. So the website has an amazing color, cool color combination for 15 minutes. A 5-minute has a green, and a Pomodoro of 25 minutes. The best thing is they actually ask you to add a task over here. Say for example, I want to take a 5-minute breathing break, because I found out that I was working a lot, so I'll just go and enter the word breathing, and I just save. Okay, just save. So that means my breathing is started. All I need is just click the start button, and now it asks me, would you like to allow notifications? And I will say yes. The best part is, once 5 minutes is over, it starts ringing. The screen starts making some alarm and sounds, which tells you that yes, you are on track. So that's how it helps you to stay focused. So if you are someone who are continuously working on a huge project and you want to take a small breathing break, just put the 5-minute alarm and you start taking a nice deep breath. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Or otherwise, you can actually do a 25-minute. That means you stop all the notifications. Okay, that means you block all the screens, close all the windows, open your Word document or Google document where you're typing your book or writing your book. Just click this button, start writing. Okay, and the notifications will tell you whether the time is up with an alarm and a sound, and thereby once you hear the alarm wherever you are, finish that sentence, finish that paragraph or sentence, because you don't want to break the chain, and then take a complete 5-minute break. If you want to have a 5-minute break, again you can use the next button and take a 5-minute break, and then once a 5-minute break, go ahead for the second round of 25-minute Pomodoro. Isn't that so simple and amazing? You can actually create a task over here, and it's actually free right now. Go ahead, use this particular app. I found this app very, very powerful and simple. Okay, so I believe with this technique, it's possible for you to have a dedicated 2 rounds of Pomodoro. Okay, 25 minutes, 2 rounds. And I think if you have a focus to 25 minutes, 2 blocks, 2 sets, I'm sure you can actually complete that book which you are writing in less than 15 days and 20 days. Yes or no? And that's what we teach in our community of TLCs, helping all the coaches and trainers to write a book and publish the book as an Amazon bestseller. So this technique is not only applicable for you to write a book, I think it applies in each and every area of your life where you really want to put some dedicated attention and focus. Thereby you complete a project, or maybe for your exams you're studying, or probably that one particular task you don't want anyone to disturb you. Go ahead, apply this particular technique, and maybe use this particular website which I just shared. Okay, and it can help you to become more productive. And go ahead and mention in the comment box, is there any other method that you use in your life which can help you to become more productive? And if you find this video was useful, go ahead and share this video in your accountability partner groups or your business groups, where people who are really seeking out to become more productive. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in another interesting video. Bye bye.